Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be showing you on how you can set up YouTube without the need for data. So first of all, you need the Ayoba app. You also need the ChatGPT app. So go ahead and open Ayoba app. Wait for it to load. It takes a few seconds. After it's done loading, scroll to the bottom. You're going to see ChatGPT. So go ahead and just click on it. After you open ChatGPT, of course it takes a few seconds as well. After it opens, just go ahead and click Terms and Privacy Policy. So after clicking Terms and Privacy Policy, go ahead and scroll to the bottom. So once you reach the bottom, you'll see icons. Go ahead and click the YouTube icon and wait for it to load, and then you'll notice that YouTube will start browsing for free. Go ahead and click on the home button. So after clicking the home button here, you'll be able to search for the videos that you want to watch, and then it will be there just browsing or letting you stream videos for free for a limited period of time. So that's it, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.